reverse. Reverse
Do it
it
like
this
this,
way.
look.
Show her.
See? It's not back up.
She went forward.
Hey!
No. What's nasty?
Okay, give me it. I'll do it.
Yeah. Back it up.
Here. You take it. Steer it. Don't go straight on it.
Adam, do with it. Let's see how you do it.
Oh, nice.
Double.
Again.
Turn it back.
Wow.
That was crazy.
Sarah. Walk forward. There we go. Come on.
Hey, no.
Watch it.
Watch
Oh,
it.
you're going backwards.
Yeah, don't fight them, please.
Whoa.
What's that for, mister? That car is very powerful.
Doing good, Sarah. Nice.
I hit the brakes right away when I wanted to stop. Sir, don't change the switch, okay? Because I'm going to say I'm medium
Go, Sarah. No, just go forward.